In this video, we will learn how to fix Epic Games error IS-0003 install failed on your PC. In order to fix Epic Games installation failed IS-003 error on your Windows PC, firstly all you need to do is open up your PC, and then if you have Epic Games up and running, just close it. In order to do that, go to the hidden icons tray in your system. From here, just right click on Epic Game and click on exit. After clicking on exit, all you need to do is head to the search panel of Windows, type in run, open it. In here you need to type %local app data %, then click on open. After you are in here, you need to head to the Epic Games folder, so here it is. Then go into Epic Online Services, then go to UI Helper, then delete the cache in here. After deleting it, head back to Locals folder. From here, you need to navigate to Epic Games Launcher. Then head to Saved. In here, you will find a folder called Web Cache. So all you need to do is right click on it and delete as well. After deleting them, just exit the folder. Now finally, all you need to do is launch Epic Games as an administrator. In order to do that, from the search panel of Windows, type in Epic Games. Now from here, you need to click on Open File Location. Now right click on Epic Games Launcher again and click on Open File Location again. It will redirect you to the Epic Games install directory. Now all you need to do is right click on Epic Games Launcher, go to Properties, go to the Compatibility tab. In here, make sure that you set run this program as an administrator and apply and OK. Now close the window. After that, you can go to the search panel again and launch Epic Launchers from here. And your Epic Launcher should be launching without any errors. So this is how you can easily fix Epic Games install failed error and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.